Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys oppo phone battery setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable power saving mode on oppo mobile. Friends, you want to enable guys your phone power saving mode, so how to enable and how to use power saving mode setting. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon guys and like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. Friends, after phone setting page, you can see this type interface on your Oppo phone. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on phone sound and vibration setting. Oh, sorry, friends. Direct friends, click on first battery setting. After on your phone battery setting, friends, you can see power saving mode setting. Friends, you want to enable guys, click here and friends, you can enable. After enable guys, your brightness will decrease and friends, you can see battery indicator will yellow. So friends, your power saving mode will enable. After enable guys, you can save your battery for some hours. After that friends, you can charge your phone. And once you don't want to use power saving mode setting, friends, direct click here power setting. As you can see, power saving mode is enabled. We will tap here disable. After disable friends, your brightness will increase and now you can use your phone without any power saving mode. And once you can see your super power saving mode, friends, you want to use super power saving mode, friends, tap here. Friends, you will have to click on turn on option, then friends, you can on. Friends, you can see your battery usage. Friends, we can check our oppo mobile battery usage. Today friends, I used battery percent. Friends, you can check guys. System friends, I use 65.52%, 7.58% I use on phone setting. So like that friends, you can check. And friends, you want to check your yesterday battery usage, so you can check your yesterday battery usage. Friends, you can see 2 days ago you want to check, so you can check your battery usage 2 days ago. And friends, if you click more battery setting, friends, you can see high performance mode you want to on, so you can on from here. Friends, you can just show battery percentage. Friends, you can on and off your battery percentage from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.